What's up, guys? Welcome back to Let's Level Up, another SketchUp tutorial to help you through your day. Today we're going to be talking about aligning textures to faces and the paint bucket tool. There's a lot to get through, so let's dive right in. So on the screen you'll currently see a bunch of faces at different axes, block with a few colors. This will all be explained as we go through the process. But firstly, I would like to draw a cladding texture and explain aligning faces to these objects here. So what you're going to do is firstly draw a rectangle, preferably flat or horizontal. You're going to apply the texture, and now if you happen to just pick up the properties of this and start clicking away, you'll notice that this is aligned to the axis of this face. Now that's not what we want. We want this texture to be wrapping right over this object from left to right. So what you're going to do is right click on the texture, go to texture, click projected, unselect the item, grab the properties of the texture, and you're going to start clicking away. And what you'll notice is the texture wraps over in the direction from left to right. And that is now aligning textures to faces. Very simple process. You could change this vertically, horizontally, 45 degrees. That is the next step that I'm going to show you. What you do is right click on the texture again, to texture, you're going to click position. Now there's a bunch of options here. The first one is a red icon. This is the move icon. What it does is you'll see there's a sort of a grid pattern, and you want your base point to sit on a specific point. You'll click and hold, move that texture to point. Now you've got a decking plank that starts in equal increments. Rotate would be very simple. Click and hold, you rotate. You can snap to the same scale, or you can drag and scale at the same time. We'll leave it there. This is a skewed option, as you can see, and this is a stretch and also skewed option in different planes. Mostly the move and the rotate tool are the ones that are used. Again, this is now being projected. So what you can do is same process, just make sure projected is on, unclick, select the properties of the texture, and you start clicking away. Now you'll notice the texture is going vertically across these faces at different axes. So that is the texture options in a nutshell. Now there's a few other options in the paint bucket tool which are quite interesting. I'm going to undo one of the few of these faces, and I'm going to leave some of them timber texture. Say I wanted to cover these models with the cyan texture. So I grab the cyan texture. If you read on the bottom here, there's a bunch of options you can do with the paint bucket. So we're going to go through them. Default will be same material, which means you grab the materials properties. As you can see, we've got it already. Shift would be match all paint, so it's going to match all the white paint that it sees to make it cyan. The next one would be control, which is match only to the specific item that you are selecting. That does not connect in any ways. And the third one is shift control, which is color all items again within the same group. And that's it, guys. I hope this helps you throughout your modeling process to not only match properties with faces, paint different faces at different orientations, scale texture, match properties with different textures to faces. I hope you found it informative, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.